This week's Grab and Go kit will let you make a shark out of an envelope. And you can use this shark as a puppet. So it can go and start eating somebody else's hand or arm. But in the kits that are at the library, you will have a basic envelope shark cut out, a fin that you have to glue on with a glue stick, and a googly eye for your shark. And after you have glued all of these things together, then you can color all over the shark to make it have big red blood-stained teeth, or have it be a pink shark, or give it fairy wings or something. Anything. It's your shark. It's your puppet.